Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make black pomfret red curry. It's a coconut based curry, very delicious curry. Watch the video carefully and you can make this at home. For this I've used fresh black pomfret. This is one of the most tastiest fish, and if you add it in the curry, it just enhances the flavor. So in order to make curry, I have taken 3 black pomfret. What you have to do is you have to clean, wash and then cut the fish. I've cut them in 3 pieces. Size doesn't actually really matter. You can cut how you want. If you want thin pieces, you can cut them. You have to apply salt and leave it aside for at least half an hour. Also, I have taken 2 cups of fresh grated coconut. You have to add it in the blender jar, and water has the same level of coconut. Blend it, extract juice and leave it on the side. So in order to make masala, take a blender jar, add 4 Kashmiri chillies for better color, 3 red chillies for spiciness, half a size of a lemon tamarind I've used, then 1 tablespoon of coriander dry, half a teaspoon of cumin whole, half a teaspoon of fresh turmeric, 3 cloves of garlic, and water sufficient amount in order to make a fine paste. Also what we need is 1 red onion, medium size, chop fine as shown and leave it on the side. This curry is very delicious as I mentioned. Do give it a try. It goes very well with rice, Goan and also with chapatis. So now let's start with the cooking process. Keep a vessel on the flame, add oil 2 tablespoons, add onion and saute it. Keep flame on medium. Add salt to cook onion faster. We need nice caramelized onion and stir it continuously so that the onion doesn't get burned. While you saute the onion, once it is slightly golden brown in color, add 2 slit green chilies and saute it for a while. Now add the masala. Just saute the masala for a while, let it simmer on a slow flame. Don't forget to pass water to the jar and add it to the gravy and mix it well. Keep the flame on low now. Add coconut milk which we had extract and kept earlier. Once you add coconut milk, let it be on low flame, otherwise it will split. I check this color of the gravy. This is very delicious. This is how Goan curry has been made, coconut based curry. Check the consistency. Don't add too much water. This is the right consistency. And let it simmer. Stir it for a while. Now add one by one fish to the curry and let it cook on a slow flame. While on simmer, you have to mix it. Do not use ladle or spoon. You have to use side towel as shown. Do not cover it fully and let it simmer. While it is on simmer, meanwhile you can check for the seasoning. Adjust salt accordingly and let it simmer for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Now after 10 minutes our curry is ready. Guys, check this wonderful curry. Check the color. How beautiful it is. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Do give it a try. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends and God bless you all. Thank you very much.